डेंजर झोनात आशिल्ली मडगांवची हॉली फॅमिली हाऊस बिल्डिंग सीज भितरले सामान काडटलो जाल्यार उपजिल्लोधिकाऱ्याची वर्द घेवन काडचे. सीज करपाची वर्द काडल्या उपरांत त्या बिल्डिंगेत रावप्यांनी जिल्लोधिकारी आनी आमदार दिगंबरा कडेन बसका घेतली.
मिटिंगेक आमकां टायम दिलो टू स्टडी रिस्टडी द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द बिल्डिंग अँड
रिपेअर कोण करतले?
आमीच करता, ओनर, लँडलॉर्ड आणि ऑक्युपंट.
जिल्लोधिकारी म्हणटा बिल्डिंग रिपेअर करून रावपाक फिट असल्यार ऑक्युपन्सी सर्टिफिकेट दिवं येता.
Yeah, so for Holy Family House, where some portion of the structure has fallen down 2 days back, we are removing every tenant from the premise as of now, and we are going to seal it. They are going to apply to municipality for permission to undertake the repair work, and once the repair work is done, and if we are able to produce a positive report, then we'll re-examine the mat. Some shops are already being sealed.
आमदार दिगंबर कामत म्हणटा लोकांच्या सुरक्षेच्या नजरेन बिल्डिंग सीज केला. लोकांची सुरक्षा महत्वाची.
As far as yesterday's day before yesterday's incident, that also she has said she can't take any compromise as far as safety of the people is concerned. So they have decided to seal the shops. And if anybody wants to remove certain things, they will take a permission from the deputy collector. They allow him to remove the shop, material and all. So she has been very cooperative as far as not disturbing their entire life such as some people have got some onions, potatoes. So we said they can remove it. There is no problem. If required, they will open. The deputy collector will help them in the morning also tomorrow. But no compromise for the safety of the people, security of the people.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सगुण गावडे आनी सावयो डायज.